How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get a six-pack in 3 minutes for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the workout is only 3 minutes long, you guys. The best exercises, I'm going to go over them with you. The best exercises, in my opinion, if I only had to do a 3-minute workout, it's going to be flutter kicks. It's going to be leg raises, and it's going to be just the basic crunch. That is by far, in my opinion, the best body weight workout that you can do. It has been my standard workout for abs whenever normally when I train my abs is normally when I'm doing a weight loss cycle. During my bulking phase, I will train my abs, but I don't train them very often. I'll train them maybe twice a week. My weight loss phase, when I do it, which is typically 2-3 months a year, I will train them 6 to 7 times a week. And again, every single time that I do it, it's usually some form of flutter kick, leg raise, and ab crunch. Those three normally in every single workout that I do. So for example, 3 minutes for me, what I would do is the first 30 seconds would be flutter kicks. Next 30 seconds, leg raises. Next 30 seconds, ab crunch. That's a minute and 30 seconds. I would then do the exact same thing again. Another workout that I have done before is literally 3 minutes of flutter kicks. If you can do 3 minutes in a row of flutter kicks, then your abs are going to be really, really, really shredded, in my opinion. At the best I've ever done for flutter kicks was 4 minutes in a row. And that's when my abs were absolutely shredded. If you check out my Instagram, Dylanberg999, you can see when I was at one of my lowest weights ever. I was at about 170 pounds and I was sitting at about 8% body fat, 9% body fat. I was super lean. And that's when I was doing those flutter kicks for about 4 minutes in a row. Literally every day I was doing like 3 to 5 minutes of flutter kicks. And that's just one set in a row. I wouldn't just do one set. I would do one set of 3 minutes, and then in total, I might do 5 sets, so a total of 15 minutes of flutter kicks. But you don't need to technically do that if you don't want to. So again, my 3 minutes of ab training, it can be any type of exercise that you want. I just found, in my opinion, flutter kicks is by far the best exercise for me anyways. And then I would say a leg raise, and then I would say just the basic ab crunch. Now you can make the workout any way you want to. You could do ab crunches for say 45 seconds and then flutter kicks for 15 seconds, then leg raises for a minute. It doesn't matter what you do, but I just found those 3 exercises work extremely well, you guys. And that's just for me, that's how my body responds. You can try that out and that should help you. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.